Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I am very excited because I am doing a business to business collab with Lisa Goss, and everyone knows Lisa Goss as Happy Crafter Shop. So she has sent me a box of goodies and I have already taken a peek, and I sent her some of my current dies. So we are going to make several videos, probably about once a week for the next 2 or 3 weeks, showing what we've created so far. And she has given me a lot to work with, guys. So I'm going to go through the box kind of fast so that this video doesn't turn out to be too long. Plus, if you can tell, I am a little sick. I'm getting over what I say it's my allergies. But everything just gets me so winded because my body is just so tired already, and so I'm gonna go through it kind of. And so if you hear me breathing heavy or whatever, you know, I'll be all right. So this is the box that she sent me. And like I said, I did take a peek to see what I was working with. No, not because of that, because I was excited. So I'm going to link all of her information in the description box. But here it is for you in case you want to take a screenshot. Instagram, YouTube, and then her email. And this is her card, super duper cute. So this is what she has, one of the things that got me all excited was this little spoon. I tried to order one when she first got them in, but they were sold out, and I was so lucky that she sent me one. So this is so super duper cute. I love it. So I know I'm going to be all over the place because I'm trying to make this quick. I did forget. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Lisa, for doing this collab with me. Thank you for this amazing box of goodies. And I hope that I do your goodies some justice. I really do. Because she sure did put plenty in here that I can work with. So I'm going to go with these beads first. You know, guys, I love my feet. So whatever I make, these are probably going to be feet. And then these blue beads, smoky blue beads, so super cute. And then these little round pastel colored beads. Love that. Those are so pretty. And then the star beads again with the pastel colors. I am going to have to edit this video like nobody's business because I keep coughing. And then these beads, these are Frosty Star bead mix. And the inside, the outside is frosty. The inside, the inside is what has the color, but they do have a little bit of that color on one side of the bead. Super cute. Those are pretty. And then she sent some, what are these called? I don't know what these are called, but they're clear beads, and the inside has the color, and these are stars as well. Those are so pretty. I like those. And let me see, is that all? Okay, so she did send me some clasps. So these come in a lot of fun colors: white, teal, green, pink, two shades of pink. So that's really pretty. And then look at these pretty stars. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Just love that yellow springy color. And she sent me some in pink as well. Very pretty. And then she sent me some, these are the green bunnies. I hadn't, you know what, guys? Like, I've been sick. When I got there, the box, I kind of really just glanced. I didn't take a really good look. But how pretty are these little bunnies? Oh my goodness. They have an iridescent, like a pink iridescent shimmer to them. And the bunnies themselves are green. Oh, those are so cute. Thank you, Lisa. I'll have to definitely do something with that. And then she sent me some carrots. Oh, these are gold carrots. How cute. I've had this box for a hot minute, guys. So I may have seen this, and now I don't remember that I saw it. So I just thought that was so cute. Some green carrots. I'm sorry. Some gold carrots. She sent me some little bow charms in orange. So super cute. She sent me some antique brass colored charms. There's hearts. What else is in here? There's a swirl. There's a little heart with a key, a house, a star, a baby buggy, another heart, star. These are so cute. These are so cute. Sorry, guys. So cute. And then she sent me these love words. Oh, that's cool. How cool are these? Love that color combination. And then she sent me some of her strawberries. And there's two kinds of strawberries in here, it looks like. Oh no, it's one strawberry with one cabochon with two strawberries on there. I thought it was, you know, the acrylic one and then the solid one. Oh, those are so pretty. Oh, those are pretty. I like those. So she sent me those as well. And then look at these bunnies, guys. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. How adorable are these? Oh my gosh, I just love these little bunnies. So cute. I love the little bunnies, and he's even winking. Look at that. A winking bunny. So super cute. So how many? There's 7 in here. There's a lot, guys. I mean, if you haven't checked out her prices, she's got very reasonable prices. She really does. And then she sent me some clay bits. These are little flowers, pink flowers. She sent me some sequin mix. These are butterflies. Pretty pastel-y pink and a darker pink and a very pretty color combination. And look at this. Oh, I like this. This one has hearts, flowers, stars, round bits. That's so pretty. I like that, guys. That's so pretty. And then look at this one. Totally spring. This one has umbrellas, and they're in all the spring colors. Just how cool is that? I like that. And then look at this one. This one's a see-through sequin. This one has shells, hearts, stars. Oh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. And then she sent me the envelopes, the black, white, and red envelopes. She also sent me letters. These are letters, guys. In the spring colors. That's so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And then she sent these. I forgot what these are called. Sorry, guys. I had to stop and take care of some business up in my nose. So I don't remember what these are called, but these sparkle like little diamonds almost. I love that. And she sent me the pink ones as well. How pretty. You know that these are my 2 favorite colors to use, the pink and white. And then how pretty is this one? Very unicorny, very pretty. Oh my gosh, you can change the mix by adding a different color, you know, and less of this. And oh my gosh, yes. And then she sent me some alphabet letters. It's a random mix of alphabet letters. So pretty. And then last but not least is another sequin mix. So you know something in that I make is going to have to be a sequin mix, because look at all this sequins. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful package that she sent me. Thank you so much, Lisa. And look at her bag. That's so pretty. I'm going to have to save that when I'm done with the mix. That's so pretty. I don't have any of those. All right, guys. I will come back probably sometime next week, I'm guessing. And I will show you what I have made so far. I'm sure that whatever it is that I make, it'll be fun. I'll have fun making it. And I'm going to have all of Lisa's information in the description box so you guys can go check her out. And her video is probably so much better than mine, guys, just because I don't feel very well still. And but I got in touch with her and I told her, okay, we need to get this done, because it's been sitting in my craft room for about a week now, and I just feel like, you know, I need to get it done. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much, guys.